Click on the link below to get price. The Rockford Fosgate X317-STAGE3 400-watt stereo, front speaker, subwoofer kit for Maverick is a remarkable audio upgrade for any Maverick owner looking to enhance their driving experience. This kit is engineered specifically for the Maverick, ensuring a seamless fit and easy installation. The sound quality it delivers is nothing short of impressive, providing a rich, immersive audio experience that elevates your adventures on and off the road. The kit includes high-performance front speakers and a powerful subwoofer. The speakers produce crisp highs and well-defined mids, making vocals and instrumentals stand out even in noisy environments. The subwoofer, with its 400-watt peak power handling, packs a punch, delivering deep bass that you can feel. Whether you're blasting your favorite tunes or enjoying a podcast, the sound clarity remains consistently top-notch. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the included mounting hardware and detailed instructions. Even those with minimal technical expertise can set it up without much hassle. The compact design of the subwoofer allows it to fit snugly in the vehicle without taking up too much space, which is a significant plus for those who value cargo space. Durability is another strong point of the Rockford Fosgate X317-STAGE3. Each component is built with high-quality materials designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures in varying weather conditions. The speakers are weather-resistant, making them a reliable choice for those who enjoy driving in diverse climates. Overall, the Rockford Fosgate X317-STAGE3 stereo kit is a worthy investment for anyone wanting to upgrade their Maverick's audio system. With its powerful performance, ease of installation, and durability, this kit not only enhances sound quality but also adds to the overall driving pleasure. It's a fantastic way to ensure your favorite music accompanies you on every journey, making every drive more enjoyable.